In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Varo customer support using different methods like phone, chat, and email. Whether you need assistance with your account, have questions about their services, or are facing technical issues, knowing how to reach out to Varo customer support is crucial for getting the help you need. To start, you'll want to head over to Varo's homepage, open your web browser, and navigate to the Varo website where you'll find the latest information on their banking services, from no hidden fees to high-yield savings options, and even credit building tools. Familiarizing yourself with the site can also help you access other resources Varo offers. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that guides you to contact Varo. Specifically, there is a section labeled Contacting Us. Clicking this link will redirect you to a dedicated support area on their website. This section is conveniently designed to guide you through the different support options available, providing a streamlined process for you to get in touch with their team. Next, you'll want to click on Contact Us. This is a pivotal point where you gain access to all the various ways you can reach out to Varo's support team. The web page is designed with ease of navigation in mind, so don't worry about getting lost or confused. The intuitive layout ensures that you can find the information you're seeking without hassle. You might even discover additional resources like FAQs or troubleshooting tips that address your concerns without needing direct support. Once you've clicked on Contact Us, you'll be presented with all the available support options. It's essential to review these carefully to choose the method that best suits your needs. You might have the choice to call them directly for the quickest response, engage in a chat for more immediate interaction, or send an email if you're not in a rush and prefer to communicate in writing. Each method has its benefits, which can cater to different preferences and urgencies. If you opt for phone support, ensure you have all your account details ready for a smoother experience. For chat support, be prepared for a real-time conversation where details will need to be typed out clearly. And finally, if email is your preferred method of communication, make sure to detail your issue thoroughly so they can assist you efficiently without the need for back and forth exchanges. With this step-by-step guidance, contacting Varo customer support should be a straightforward process. Remember, whichever method you choose, the goal is to provide you with the support and solutions you need.